Hey guys, Paul here at ProLine, and I've got a little something here that you've been waiting for. The Interco Super Swamper SX. That's right, 155. ProLine has finally joined the Tiny Tire Club. Joining the BFG KX Class 0 at 385 height, the SX offers the smallest wheel diameter at 155 in the entire ProLine rock crawling lineup. The SX shares the same high performance and super scale realism as our other fully licensed Interco tires, making it totally worthy of the Tiny Tire Club. So if you've been waiting for us to come out with a 155 tire, here it is. The Interco TSL Super Swamper SX from ProLine. And if you like this video, make sure and give us a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and ring that little bell for future notifications. And for this and other great ProLine products, head on over to ProLineRacing.com.